he gave me this. He gave me this thing, which might look a little bit different. Some of you might know it, but it's a firecracker. How we're going to break it is that we're going to use this big log to break it. And it's going to blow up. So once I'm going to put it right here. And once I slam that stick on it, it's going to blow up. Josh, come here. We're about to do it. Okay, so Josh is coming over. The blocks of peanuts. No, not the bottle. Not the bottle. What's this? One at a time, right? Okay, so we have to. So we have this string, but the string comes in a firecracker. So if you ever find this kind of string that's in a firecracker, you just get it, you pull it out, and it should blow up after that. And yeah, so it's gonna blow up right after I do that. I don't know how to do that. Josie, I told you, not like that. Okay, you need rocks. Okay, it's a short delay, but you guys can wait. You know, I got rocks. No, like these. Okay. Now we're gonna retry to blow it up. It was an epic fail. Thumbs down. Thumbs down. After we cover it in rocks, we are really just going to put them on the side. Put them on the side. On the pink part, on the blue? Yes. Wait, no, that's one. Okay. And what goes on the other side? Here. And then we'll put these two on the other side.
Watch out, Kevin's coming.
Okay, Kevin, you have to get away from here. This is an extremely dangerous explosion that can really destroy. Okay. Now we throw it at him. At it. Kevin? You're doing it wrong. Oh, like this. I'm sorry, but Kevin has a short delay. He has to get out of it. He just goes and plays with a squirrel. So.
Oh! Is that real or fake?
Okay, no, hold on, over here.
What are you doing?
I'm sorry about my noisy neighbors. They're always like that. You can see, Kylie.
And then slam it on the paper. Slam it on the paper. Slam it on it.
I know. We're not blowing it up here.
It won't work on it. It won't work on like the ground.
Do it on the brick.
Yeah. We can get a brick. No, we can get this piece of wood and blow it up on that. It's probably gonna work, but we don't know if it's gonna be what should we do? So we are going to do this. Now let's go. Everybody stand back. Kylie can stay here.
Nothing happened.
This is an epic fail. What the? What is this? Yeah, of course. Kylie? Kylie. So me and Josh are going to keep that on me. What kind of party is this? Huh? Hey, you guys! In the pool!
I'm coming to get you.
I'm stuck! Help me, help me! I'm stuck! Josh, you can handle yourself. I'm going Okay. You people in the pool! So I can show you something really weird that didn't happen. We tried. We tried throwing it at the string. Didn't work. Okay?
Josh, it didn't work.
Like that. Scott, I need a real one. So watch this, everybody. Dad. It looks like mud.
Oh, come on, miss.
It looks like mud. Kylie, come here.
I missed the gun. Keep missing.
Josh, are you doing it right?
Yes! It's not working.
Come on, come here.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, we need a hammer.
Ask him for a hammer.
I know where to get one.
You have to ask first.
We can ask my dad if we can get it. So we have to ask him where it is. So hold on a second. Kylie, you stay up here and talk to him. Dad?
Can we use your hammer?
No,
It's
No.
the only way to fight.
no, you're not hitting those with hammers. No. I know.
Firecrackerz.
No, I know what it does. I did it. No.
Not gonna work.
Here, hold this real quick.
I'm sorry, Randy, but it has been a short delay. Yeah.
Her dad is.
It was an epic fail. Josh, can you tell him how it was an epic fail? Josh. Hello? Answer me. Answer me. Answer me or I'm going to come after you. What the heck? Oh, he's taking the log. Let's go do a vlog with Kevin. Hold on. Look! We're back here with Kevin. Hey, Kevin. Kevin. Okay, he doesn't even want to play right now, and I know I'm a better filmer this time. Because my first video didn't work as good as I wanted it to. No. Josh is not going to get it right. I did. Here's our dirty pool. Our pool turned dirty. Look at all that. It's disgusting. We have a little ducky there. Ducky behind over there. Yeah. I will make a blackout. Here we are with Kevin. Kevin. Where's my little duck going? Kevin's going that way. I'm going in here. And I will be back with you in the next episode. So be careful to check out our next episode.
Over on purpose or
Bye. Sorry about it. Bye.